Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today I'm just working on a few last minute gifts, and I'm taking these carnival pops, these Christmas carnival pops from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to secure the plastic with a little bit of tape, and I'm just altering the lollipop, so I'm not unwrapping it or anything. I'm going to leave it in its wrapping because you should. And I'm just going to decorate it a little bit to add to a gift. Some last minute gift items, you know. There we go. So I have 3 little lollipops, and I just took a small piece of tape and wrapped it around so that the plastic is not so bulky. I took my punch. It's a 2 1/4 punch scallop circle. Okay, so I took the scallop punch, and I'm just going to punch out a few. Oh, there's 3. And another one just in case. Now, all I want to do really is to cover the lollipop, because I don't want to do it like that. I just want to put a little scallop on top, and I want to attach it to the lollipop. Okay, nothing fancy. I just want to get it on there, and I might secure this down. Now you got to be careful because your glue gun could be a little hot. I really don't want this sticking up, so just secure it just like that, and that looks better. Alright, so I'm going to get all these put onto the lollipops, and just start decorating. Okay, not hard. I'm just going to get it down. Just a little altered lollipop. And if you want to cover up the back, I would suggest to punch another scallop circle. Matter of fact, why don't we just go ahead and do that? I think I will do this one in this color, and I'm just going to line it up as much as possible. There you go, just like that. Alright, I'm going to have to use a different paper. Okay, ready to go. I'm going to use a different paper to cover the back. I just need 2. It doesn't matter which kind, you just want to cover the back. Easy as that. Very cute. I'm going to secure this one down too, just to make it easier. Okay, there we go. And cover that up. Just get it lined up as much as possible. There you go. Okay. Perfect. And cover the side. There we go. Really easy. Some of them can have some air locked up in it, that's okay. Alright, and I just want a piece of ribbon. Okay, just enough to tie a double knot. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna tie a simple double knot, and oh goodness, get it around the lollipop. Oh boy, did I make this too short? We're gonna make it work. And there we go. Looks like a mess, right? And that's okay, because guess what? You just take your scissors and clean it up. And we're just going to get the little lighter. Lighter. And let's secure our edges. Too cute. This one. Very simple. Okay. So the next one. Oh gosh. And it's just going to look like a little bouquet. fancy lollipops. Takes all of 2 seconds. Okay, trim these corners. Okay, and the lighter again, really quick, guys. Just keep it tidy. And it's the last one. Okay, last one. Okay. So cute. Okay. So now we got those all set. Right? Very cute. Isn't that cute? And now we're going to put some little touches on the front. On the fronts. Okay. Where are my little scallops? I have my punch here with the little scallops. It's very cute. And okay, last one. Oh, come on out. There we go. Just like that. I'm just going to attach them to the front. Oh, here. There we go. Isn't that cute? There we go. They look like little flowers. Wow, I should have done this for future gifts. Oh boy. That would have been a cute idea, right? There we go. These are just the Dollar Tree lollipops, and they are delicious, by the way, because I had one. And let's see. Oh, I don't have any more. Okay, we could do this. Very cute. Just some stickers. Let's do some of that right here. Trying to use up some of our Christmas supplies. That looks cute. Cut these away. So that. And let's see. We can put a deer on one. I'm just going to go ahead and use up my lovely Dollar Tree stickers. Isn't that cute? Crooked, but it'll do. It's okay. It does not really matter. There we go. Okay. Let us add snowflake to this little Christmas tree. There we go. Good so far. Now let's see if we can find the little Christmas saying. Oh, we got joy right here. We can stick that on here. I think that works. There we go. That is cute. And we have, should we go with some presents? Does Noel fit? Oh yeah. This one will fit. Perfect. Yep, there we go. I'm just putting a line of glue just to help it stick. There we go. See, we even got some layering going on the lollipops. And December 25th, Merry Christmas wreath, or a Merry Christmas with a bird. Does that fit? How about we just go for it? All right, just like that. We could do it. Why not? Yep, there we go. Oh, I love it. Perfect. Perfect. It covered a lot of the tree, but it's okay. I love it. That worked perfect. Worked out perfect. Okay. There you go, guys. 3 little lollipops. And they're cute. Alright, thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.